Hello friends, hope everyone is doing good in his own. So it's my first video at my YouTube channel which is fully in English. So please cooperate with my English because I haven't created any video in my YouTube channel which is fully in English, and I am also somehow weak in English because I haven't spoke English in general day to day life. Okay, so as per my YouTube channel, okay, analytics, I have created an free VPS for all video 2 days earlier. So at that video, I got 215 views and 7 likes. So in this video, we will continue with that previous video, but it's in fully English, so that you guys have fully in-depth knowledge of what is VPS and how to use that. And I will also cover up all your comments in comment section. So please comment down your problems in comment section, and please watch the full video till the end. So let's continue with our video. So let me fix the mic. Okay. So please cooperate with my English now. Let's start with our video. So what's an VPS? Okay. So first of all, what is an shell.cloud.google.com? It's a Google Cloud Shell. Okay. Uh, it's an cloud-based shell environment provided by Google platform. It offers users instant access to terminal running in the cloud. So it's an basically a cloud-based terminal. Okay, and directly we can use it via our नहीं, okay, via our web browser with the necessary tools pre-installed to manage and develop GCP resources. So there are some key features in that google.cloud shell.cloud.google.com, which are browser-based terminal. As I previously explained, that it's having a terminal which is which we can use in our web browser. We will see in our video. Okay. So second is persistent storage. We have 5 GB of persistent disk as an home user in that subdomain of google.com. There are also pre-installed tools such as gcloud CLI and these is sub tools. Okay, so what is in Git we will study. What is Python? What is Go? What is Java? You guys already know. So we also have a code editor such as VS Code integration, as well as we have cloud share editor, we have billing and free tier. So we will continue with our free tier access. Okay, in that we will have a 50 hour per week usage. So if you guys already have an free tier access, you can also upgrade it to premium so that you guys can use it more than 50 hours per week. So next is, yeah, Infrared VM. So it's a small Linux virtual machine with 1.7 GB RAM and one virtual CPU. So one virtual CPU means we have one CPU with a 1.7 GB of RAM. Okay, and that makes our processing speed much faster as compared to normal processing speed. Okay, so console.integration also. So these are some key features which we have in shell.cloud.google.com. And how to access the cloud shell, visit the URL shell.cloud.google.com or access it directly from the Google Cloud Console by clicking on the cloud shell icon on the top right. Okay, so we will continue with this URL. So let's copy this and let's paste it at our browser. Okay, so guys, please cooperate with my English because it's my first ever video I am making at my YouTube channel, and let's begin. So it's particularly an okay. We have to first log in our email ID at this. So first of all, you guys need to log in, and then we will see this kind of interface. So then you guys need to do scroll up this thing so that you will see the terminal. Now you have to enter ls for the uh, present directories as well as .txt files which are already present. But if you guys just use that, you won't have any kind of directory such as dir search or DNS buster and lost tools and subdominator, as well as some .txt files. There's just like indeed.webexurls.in and so on. Okay, let's neglect that. So, first of all, we have studied what is an VPS and how to use it, what are its key features, and how to access Cloud Shell. So, there is also an command line access, such as use command like gcloud or Quebec1 and other terminal based tools. So, there is also a smart coding feature in that, and common use cases, development testing. Developer can use CloudShell for coding, testing, and debugging without needing local resources. Next point is cloud management and learning and prototype. So let's move on this. So what is a PWD? Okay, PWD means previous working directory. In this, we will get our previous working directory, and I have got that Bajaj Crash 11 because my email is starting from Bajaj Crash 11 at gmail.com. We can also type dir for full directory listing. So let's move ahead. Let's see some basic commands which can be used in Kali Linux, such as wait a second. Some commands such as here we can use dir for directory listing, then second pwd for previous working directory, then cat for reading any kind of .txt file, then cd for moving to a new directory such as search, as well as there are some more commands which we will continue in our video. So we have continued with our previous commands such as pwd, which is previous working directory as dir, and let's continue with new command which is in cat, which reads the .txt file command. So first of all, type cat and type indeed and press tab. Okay, or we can also copy this via our double clicking, and then if we press enter, if there is any kind of content in it, then we will see in our terminal. Okay, so let us see. We don't have any kind of command, so let's clear out all. So for building any kind of some P, then let's okay. So particular subfinder is a tool which is used for extracting subdomains from whole internet, which we can use at our terminal or Kali Linux. Just example, if we press subfinder -h, the -h flag is used for an help manual. So there is a -d tag for minus domain and minus o tag for output string. So let's continue minus d for indeed dot in. So indeed is an website for food. It's an food based website. Okay. So the it's open. Let's move. It's an indeed. Just remove HTTP. Okay, what's this? Um, yeah. So indeed.in, and you can also press this kind of greater than symbol, or you can also write -o to save our result in a .txt file. So let's save the result in save.txt. This will save our whole result in save.txt. So we got 9 subdomain for indeeds.in in 2 seconds and 120 milliseconds. Let's select those subdomains. Okay, so this is in command which is known as cat. and save.txt means we have to okay. So मैं हिंदी में बोलता हूँ. तो हिंदी में क्या मतलब है ना, कैट तुम्हारा क्या करेगा कि सेव डॉट टी एक्स टी का जो भी कमांड रहेगा वो तुम्हारे को टर्मिनल में शो कर देगा. ओके, तो भाई लोग हिंदी वालों के लिए सब मैंने बता दिया है. ओके, तो next command is save.txt. So if we want to move this in new directory, what we will do is move save.txt to the search. Okay, then it will move to our new directory which is known as the search. So if you press ls and search for save.txt, you won't see any you won't see save.txt in our home page or home directory. So we have to move to the search directory. So let's ls and here is an save.txt file. So cat save.txt. Okay, and if we don't move the directory. Okay. Chill. If we want to, if we don't have to move the save.txt to our new directory which is known as search, we can also copy that same.txt file and we can copy that to our new directory like cp save.txt to home. Okay, let's save.txt. Right. Sudo. So yeah, so we just upgrade ourselves to sudo su. So now we can uh, copy our copy our this thing to our home directory. Okay, now if we press ls, so we also have an save.txt file in cursor directory, as well as if we move back to our home directory, we also have save.txt here. So save.txt copy. Yeah. Wait a second, let me check. So, but I made a mistake. So might be I need to place this and cd dot search. Search. Okay. Search directory. Oh, it's possible. Okay. Home. So in home we have save.txt file here. So I just need to copy that to Bajaj Crush 11, then press ls, then move to done search, and then copy save.txt to home slash Bajaj Crush 11. Now it's complete. So let's press ls and we will have our save.txt. Okay. So it's particularly copy and paste using our command line. So let's clear out this thing. And some guys ask that what is the feature and how can we use the free VPS 24 by 7. So let's try, let's assume that we are using this VPS which is an cloud based service. We just need to open our PC 24/7. So it's particularly a big task which we can't delay, or let's try something like that. Okay, तो थोड़ी सी इंग्लिश मेरी गड़बड़ हो रही है, कोई नहीं. So okay, so it's particularly we have root access. So this is an normal access. So, okay, so it's clear. Okay, we will exit our, we will complete our video now. Okay. तो बाय बाय गाइस, अगली वीडियो में थोड़ा अच्छा करेंगे।